Hello everyone! Start off by taking a rubber band and section out the front portion of the hair. Divide the starting portion of hair into two halves and then put another ponytail through it. Keep continuing this process until you reach the bottom and add decorative rubber bands to tie it all in place together. Make sure that it is tied tightly. Loosen out the strands of hair to give it more aesthetic appeal and repeat the same on the other side. Add a rubber band at the bottom and then fold the hair in on itself so that it twists at the bottom. Then fold it up and make it into a bun-like shape. For our next hairdo, start off by making a ponytail and then add another rubber band to the middle of the ponytail. Then twist the ponytail in on itself and then fold it up to make a bow-like shape. Braid the bottom and round it upwards. For our next hairstyle, make a ponytail and then section it up into 3 parts. Add rubber bands to these 3 parts and then fold them all in on itself so that it forms multiple twists. Then make a bun out of the twisted portions. Add another rubber band and then fold it in on itself at the bottom and then tie it up to the top. Use the circular hole form to put it around the bun. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a small section of hair from the front and then section that up into 2 parts. Then divide one portion of the hair and take a very small unit of it. Make a small braid out of it. As you progress with the braid, take more and more strands of hair from the section that you had initially made and then make it into a somewhat French braid. As you progress with the braid, leave out a strand of hair from the left side and then braid till the end. For our next hairdo, start off by making a ponytail and leave out a small section of hair at the bottom, as well as the top. Then quite literally tie a knot in your hair. Repeat this process to make multiple circles out of it with gaps in it. Do it till you reach the bottom. Thank you for watching.